Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter a message on Instagram. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And to filter a message on Instagram, we need to switch from personal account to professional account. So if you're in personal mode now, you need to switch your account to professional mode. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can turn our personal account to the professional account. We need to go to our profile and then we need to open up the setting and privacy on Instagram. You can click on these three lines on the top right to open up the setting and activity, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the account types and tools. Okay, here you can choose account type and tools, and you're going to select switch to professional account. All right, and I'm going to click on next, and then you can choose what best describe you. For instance, I'm just going to choose editor. Okay, then after you choose the category, you can click on switch to professional account. Okay, it's still loading. All right, and now we need to choose the type of the professional account. For me, I'm just going to choose creator, which is best for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. I'm just going to choose this one and click on next. Okay, and just wait, guys. All right, and I'm just going to skip this one. Okay, and I'm just going to set up my professional account later. So I'm going to click on this close button. Okay, now it's time to filter a message on Instagram. We will get the filter message after we have switched our personal account to professional account, and let's check it. I'm going to open up my Instagram direct messages, and okay, right here we can filter the message. Just go to the filter and then you can choose unread, unanswered, flagged, or people you follow, and I'm just going to choose unread. Okay, now my messages on the Instagram have been filtered. And okay guys, that's all the way to filter a message on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!